Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Jess once again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in my channel guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share so that it can help also to others. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon guys ang paggawa ng minutes. Ano nga ba ang minutes? So, in my own words, pag sinabi natin minutes, especially kung ikaw yung in charge sa paggawa ng minutes, of course, ikaw talaga yung gagawa nun. So, based on my experience, kapag gumawa ka ng minutes, syempre, meron tayong flow of program or order of the program. So, dun ka magbe-base ng paggawa mo ng iyong minutes. So, ako, based on my experience, pag gumawa ko ng minutes, sinusunod ko talaga yung flow ng program or yung arrangement of the program. At pagkatapos, narrate ko doon step by step or systematically yung flow. And then, kapag merong open forum yung aming program, so nilalagay ko doon kung sino yung nagsalita, sino yung nag-response, ayan, sino yung nag-recommend, sino yung nag-suggest, so that I have the idea. And of course, para hindi ko malimutan kung sino yung nagsalita noon. And syempre, we are not perfect at sometimes nakakalimot tayo, so pwede nating mabalikan yung ating minutes. So doon tayo babalik sa ating minutes para makita natin kung sino yung mga taong nagsalita doon, nag-agree, tsaka nag-propose, at yung mga napagkasunduan. Ayan. So, that's the purpose of minutes. So that we know yung mga kaganapan sa ating program or activity. At kung meron naman kayong speaker sa program at meron siyang mga assigned topics, so pwede nyo ring ilagay sa minutes yung kanyang mga topiko at ang mga important details ng kanyang mga topics para meron kayong babalikan kung ano talaga yung kanyang mga na-discuss at yung kanyang mga na-shared na mga inputs. And further, kung meron namang Q&A or question and answer portion, pwede mo rin siyang ilagay sa minutes. Kung halimbawa may nag-question sa participants, sa speaker, then pwede mo talaga siyang ilagay para malaman mo kung ano yung naging question ng participant sa speaker at kung ano naman yung naging sagot ng speaker towards the participant. And when it comes naman sa mga programs, activities, events, at merong nag-volunteer na tao or participant, pwede mo rin siyang ilagay sa minutes kung sino yon, so that you will know na merong nag-participate sa ganitong activity, event, or programs or activities. So, syempre, may babalikan ka at may titingnan ka sa iyong minutes. So, very important talaga yung minutes, especially kung you are handling a large number of population of people. So, marami talagang mga nagre-raise ng hands or nagsasuggest, nagre-recommend, nag-question. So, sometimes hindi talaga siya ma-avoid. So, dapat meron talaga tayong minutes para meron tayong matingnan at saka meron tayong guide kung sino talaga yung nagsalita nito, nag-request nito, or nag-suggest nito, nag-recommend nito, ganyan, ganon. So, very important talaga yung minutes para maalala natin, tsaka ma-recall natin, at this will serve as our guide. And lastly mga guys, if you are working your minutes in a Microsoft Word or in a paper, so don't forget to have the heading, and then the date, and then the title, and then the body. And then after that, pag natapos mo na yung minutes, ipa-check mo siya. And then kung tama yung mga informations at saka yung mga taong na-involved doon, so ipa-check mo siya. And yung flow of program, if tama yung pag-narrate mo, so pag okay na siya sa pag-check, then put prepared by and then noted or approved. Ayan, kung sino yung nag-prepare and then sino yung nag-approve ng minutes. Ayan. So that's all guys about my sharing in doing my minutes. So again, pag ako yung gumawa ng minutes, I am doing it in detailed. So para aware ako kung ano yung mga nangyayari, especially na nakakalimutin kasi ako. So I need to go back in my minutes to check, and it will serve as my guide para hindi ako magkamali. Ayan. So that's all guys about my sharing and how to make minutes and what's the purpose of minutes and how very important it is. All right. So that's all guys about my sharing, and thank you for watching my vlog. God bless everyone.